Gold continues to rise in value to the highest price levels, and all-time high price level has been reached yesterday. The price yesterday created another bullish candle where the price has tried to return back down below 3955.63 as support level, but after that we can see the price return back up and finally close the day above this area of support and also above the previous high. We can see that it is a bullish sentiment still active, and we can see today, this day has started also with a bullish momentum, continuing to rise in value, reaching again all-time high price levels. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how this looks. Yesterday, the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3955.63. In the afternoon, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that finally made bullish breakout and also finally reaching the area of resistance 3987.78. We can see that the price had problems several time frames to move higher to the higher price levels. There were wicks on these candles, but the price could not manage to go above this area of resistance. You can see that. And then there was some kind of a bearish sentiment, a bearish push below this area of support, trying to push the price down, but we can see the price could not close below this area of support. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how that's played yesterday. We can see that the price was trying to move higher, forming a bullish breakout, continued to rise in value, and then suddenly returning back down with strong bearish engulfing candle. This was a strong bearish signal trying to push the price further down, but we can see after the price has formed this bearish breakout below this area of support 3972.95, the price has reversed back up and formed a bullish breakout, which was in the validation of this previous bearish, and continued the price, and price continues to rise in value. So the price after that continued to rise in value, making a bullish breakout again above this area of resistance, and then continue again to rise in value. We can see the price where it is currently. It is about 4,000. Now what we can expect today, based on this one, what we can see, it is still bullish momentum active on the market, and I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels. Currently 4,021.78 is the next resistance level here I have on the chart, and above that is 4,092. Will the price reach that? Well, it's very hard to predict, but we can see what happens. Every day is still bullish momentum trying to reach higher price levels, and these two candles that are still strong and bullish candles are still indicating a strong bullish momentum, and there is no selling pressure right here, because we can see yesterday there was only a small one pushing the price below this area of support and then continue to rise in value. So currently I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels, and then we'll see what happens around this area of resistance. This one here, first of all 4,021.78, and then we'll see how the price behaves. During the day I will watch closely how the price behaves on the 1-hour time frame, to watch is there any bullish or bearish breakouts, like in this example here, and then inform the traders inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check the link below in the description to join other traders to receive these updates. So for now, let's see how the price behaves. Let's go and follow the price closely 1 hour by hour each day to see how the price behaves, and follow the market, not chasing the market. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.